Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us lectures on how to promote your affiliate link using Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the most searched engines in the world. As you all know, apart from Google search, YouTube search, TikTok search, and the likes, Pinterest is one of the most and useful platform that you would be glad to market your products. Apart from being an affiliate marketer, you can promote and you can display your product on Pinterest and you're going to get a buyer. But you have to do this in a consistent way, right? Not that you post 2 days and you expect results. No, you have to post consistently. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us the right way on how you're going to be promoting your product or your affiliate link using Pinterest. We're going to be creating a pin. We are going to also be also going to be showing you a free website that you can get or set up your designs to use on Pinterest. Okay, because if you come to Amazon, if you check on Amazon like this and you click on get link on any product we choose, so for example, if I generate this link and I put it on my Pinterest account, Pinterest is going to ban me. So for us not to get banned, I'm going to be giving us a very good strategy so that we can paste our link and we can still promote our products while we create our pin and board. I will be showing you everything step by step. So kindly watch this video to the end and grab your popcorn. Let's get started with the tutorials. If you want to promote your product on Pinterest, you have to look for a feminine products because 85% of women go to Pinterest to buy their stuff, to get inspirations, and to do a lot of things, to do a lot of search using Pinterest. Okay, you don't need any followers. Okay, as you can see, this is my Pinterest account. I'm into home tech essentials. Okay, so I have just 3 followers, which people have been following me because I've been consistent in the last 1 month. I've increased to 2.3k monthly views. It was like 2 to 500 monthly views because I wasn't consistent there. But right now it has grew because I'm trying to do like a 30 days. I schedule my post for 30 days, which I do it weekly, right? So I hope to come back here and I will show you the results. At the end of the day, we are doing this together, okay? And I'm going to show you how much I made, how much it generates and all that. And if we perhaps get to 1 million views per month, then it's a good news for us. So this is all I post. I post for women. Even you can also integrate your Instagram account. You integrate it to your Pinterest account. Okay. So our first step is to come to Google and you search for word streams free. We'll come to word streams, right? And it says free keywords tools. Then we're going to be searching for cold weather. We're going to be searching for women's winter dress clothes because I'm in Canada and the weather is cold. So we want to see the keyword if it's something we can promote. And this tool is very free. As you can see, the competition is very high, right? You can do something like this. Wedding guest dress winter wedding. If you scroll down, you can see the volume. The set volume for this is 33,100. As you can see, wedding guest dress for December. So if we scroll down, because the volume is too high, right, we're going to go for winter dress clothes for women. Okay, and we can, if we want to do for men, you search for men. So because this is the lowest search, we can go for this 12,100 search. So I'll come here, I'll click on women clothes, then I'll come back to Amazon, right? And I would go to search on Amazon and paste it. As you can see, it's part of the search engine, what they're looking for on Amazon, women winter dress clothes. So I'm going to check this. As you can see, we can find some lovely winter clothes here. So I love this. We're going to choose this. And if you scroll down, so this is what we're going to be promoting. As you can see, these are lovely winter clothes, especially if you're in Canada, because the one I showed previously, I bet you cannot wear that in Canada. So now, my next step is I'm going to be introducing a website for us that can promote this product for us. Okay, then we'll go ahead and create the pin with Canva. So this will take me to kits.co. Okay, I already did a video on this. So you can go to kit.co, then you set up your account. As you can see, this is my account. These are the stuff I have done in the past that I do promote. So I'm going to be adding a new product here. So to add a new product here, you're going to come here and you're going to click create a new kit, right? We're going to give our kit a name. So we can call it 10 trading 10 trending winter clothes for women. Okay, then I'll come to ChatGPT and I'll tell ChatGPT to give me a description. So come to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT this question. So it's just a simple direct question. Generate a description write up on 10 trending winter clothes for women and hashtag. So it's going to give us some. So I'm going to search for this 10 trendy winter clothes on Amazon. So I'm going to put another prompt here that give me a description from the above. So I'll come here, copy, and I will come to our site and I'll paste it here. You have to let the audience know. So this is my short description on this. Then you click on next. So now this is the time where we're going to be adding our products. So I'll come back to Amazon. I'll come to Amazon. I'll grab the link for this. Let's say this first one. If you click on get link, there are two options there, the short link and the full link. So we're going to be using the full link. So you copy and you come back to click.io, then you paste the link here. You can enter. So I'm going to generate what's your story about this product, right? So I'm going to generate a, a review about this product using ChatGPT again. So I'll tell ChatGPT that kindly generate a short description or review about my products. And I click on enter. So I'll copy it and I'll come back here, then paste it, then add to kits. So view kit, So this is our write-up. The picture is not showing, so let me try and beautify it and upload the remaining, then I'll be right back. So tech lovers, this is our end result. As you can see, I've pasted the products and we have 7 trendy winter clothes for women. Right, this is the landing page I'm going to be using, and if you want to get your link, you come here and I'm going to add copy link to share, but we'll be coming back there. Now we'll go to Canva. We want to create our pin, our Pinterest pin. So we'll come to Canva, right, and this is our Pinterest pin, or you can search for Pinterest pin here. So I'll click on Pinterest pin. So it's going to give me options, right? It's going to give me options. I'm going to choose very nice Pinterest pin. I'll be right back. So I'm going to choose this template and I'll change this to 7 trending winter clothes. Then I can come here. I'll add for women. For women. Okay. I can put, if you have a website, I can add my website here, www.cibetsolutions.com. Okay. I'm going to increase the font a bit. Then I'm going to delete this. I'll delete this. Then I'm going to add our design. I already saved it, so I will upload it here. Upload file. Let's upload everything and I will start designing. So we're going to adjust this. I'll be removing the background. Right. Let's come here. Then I'm going to put this here. So if you're on Canva Pro, you can edit. And if you're not on Canva Pro, then you need to upgrade. So I'm removing the background remover. So I'm going to, let's put our next color here. I'm going to choose a color and I'll hide it. As you can see, let's switch this up. Let's the add this hot. Yeah. Then I'll bring this down a bit. I'll bring this down too. Let me quickly design it. I'll be back. So this is our end result of our Pinterest pin. Then I will download. Come here, share, download. I will increase the size for better quality and I download. So as this is downloading, we'll come to our Pinterest. We'll come to Pinterest and we'll come to these 3 dash lines. You now come to create pin, organic create pin. You click on that and we're going to drag our design here. As you can see, then I'm going to write my title here. My title is going to be cold winter outfit. Okay, outfit. Then I'll come to ChatGPT. I'll copy this. ChatGPT is a friend, so you can use it anytime. It can be your mentor, it can be your friend, so you can ask ChatGPT all your questions. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a description for, I'll put my, yeah, I'll put my topic here, title, generate a description for cold winter outfit, add hashtags, and make the write-up a sales write-up for my Pinterest pin. Okay, then I click on enter. So we're going to come in and we'll copy this, and I'll come back. I'll go to my Pinterest account, and we're going to add our description. So I'll paste my description here. I'll paste my description here. You can put a disclaimer if you want to, right? So remember the link we created. This is our landing page, right? So this is our landing page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy my link, right? And I'll put my link here, paste. As you can see, because if you put your Amazon link directly, you can be banned. Then I will create a bot for this. I already have a bot for it. If not, I can create a bot for it. I can just put it under Amazon must have. Okay, it can also be best gift for the grooms and bride, right? So let's do this. Amazon must have, and I'm going to add my tag. Okay, winter dress. You can add 3 to 5 tags. Winter wedding dress. So we can use this as an example, right? So as you can see, we are done. This is looking beautiful, and we can publish directly if we want to publish. But because of the time I'm doing this video, I can't publish it. If you want to have an engagement on your Pinterest, you have to post 3 or 4 times in a day. I'm going to schedule my post. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to click publish for later. As you can see, I published this for 2 p.m. tomorrow, and I schedule. So you can schedule for 30 days, and voila, your pin is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section. Let's interact here. Cheers.